Hello everyone, how are you doing? I know I have been quiet for quite some time. I had a car accident 2 weeks ago. It was tough, to be honest. We were safe, me and my kids. So I was in the car driving, and I have my daughter Maryam and Jibril. Then suddenly we have been hit by, a big car. My daughter started to scream. I didn't hear my son. And I tried, I removed my seatbelt and I tried to turn. I couldn't turn because my hand paralyzed. And I felt pain on my leg. Then I saw a man approaching me and said, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" I said, "Please take my son." Because, I thought that his neck got broken or something. Then he said, "No, he's okay." Then I start to hear him also crying. Yeah, so I needed some time, to heal, to thank God because we were all safe, because it couldn't be worse. But luckily my kids were safe. I am the only one got bruises on my knee, and my hand was, it was blue. Anyway, the ambulance came, took me and my daughter because she couldn't walk. I think because of the shock, because she was away. I will insert a clip of the car. She was away from the hit. It was me and my son Jibril. But I'm glad that, we didn't get that big hit, only the car from the front. And the car is total, can't be fixed because the axe itself is broken. This shows how the hit was really strong. I was on my way to Yale University. I was picking my husband, so we were downtown in New Haven. And I'm glad that we're 3 minutes away from the university, so I couldn't call my husband. I was just crying. So people were very kind. Everyone jumped out from their cars and started to check us, talk with my kids, say jokes or something, to just cheer them up because they were crying. Then a lady, I told her, "Please call my husband, tell him we're here." Then I saw him came running because, he said to take Uber needs 10 minutes to reach him. Anyway, so yeah, we went to the hospital, me and Maryam, for a checkup. And my husband took my son Jibril home. Yeah, so that's what happened. I was crying a lot. I try, to just be thankful and grateful that we are safe. My dad was calling me twice a day. He is in Egypt. And my parents, and my mom, my sisters, everyone. But there's, I know I couldn't, answer the phone for everyone. So everyone called, I have to cry. Then I said, I can't talk to anyone. I need my time. So anyway, I miss crafting, to be honest. And I took this time to, clean my craft room, think of new ideas. I'm sorry, I don't want to give you a negative vibes here. I'm sorry, I need to tell you what happened. So yeah, anyway, I'm safe. Everyone is safe and healthy, thankful to God. So yeah, so let me share with you my project for Sew in Love February, hosted by Anna White, and also the Saturday morning mix by Jill Norwood. So I didn't create that much, I was trying, to start create little by little. So let me show you the products I used to create the 2 cards. So I used these colors, Copic markers. Look to my mark. So beautiful, right? Cute. I used this stamp, Love. I used this stamp focus please, by Stampin' Up. She's so adorable. Also new crisp ink in a mocha color. Nouveau vintage drop. I love this color, so beautiful. Nouveau glue. Some gemstones, and this one also. This was part of a tonic kit. White gel pen. This is a die by LDRS. I used the buttons. And I used this die by Pinkfresh Studio called the Slim Stitches. Then I use some cardstock from Cut Cardstock. This is a sample pack, has so many colors, but this is the color I used. Snow cone. I'm gonna link their website in the description box. They have amazing. Oh, you know what? Let me show you all the colors that they have. They have a glitter also, heavy cardstock. This one is not that heavy, I think it's 60 something. Then also I used this stamp set by Tonic, and I have a dedicated video where I created 3 cards using this set, and it comes with the die, yeah, coordinating die and standalone dies. Okay. Okay, so this is the first cards, the slim line card. Oh, the papers! Didn't show you the papers. Okay, I will insert a clip for the paper. This is by Be Shabby. This is a Russian brand, so beautiful, and it's Tilda paper, or their version of Tilda. It's a beautiful papers, and I'm going to insert a clip where I will show you the designs from inside. And speaking of Russia, also I bought this Tilda doll. It's so beautiful. My prayers for people in Ukraine and people in Russia. It's difficult, I know, so let's keep them in our prayers. So anyway, this one, so beautiful, so chic, and it comes with like a heart, like a pillow heart, but I don't know where it is, but it's safe. So this is the Tilda, their Tilda version, let's say. And I'm not sure if you can see. It looks like the paper exactly. Anyway, I'm gonna insert you a picture to see the papers. So this the papers from this is square from the paper collection. Here is the buttons from LDRS, and this is the stamp set. And I colored the picture, you know, or the image with the Copic markers. Yeah, and the frame is by Pinkfresh Studio. Yeah. So this is the first card. The second card, which is my favorite, I'm not into slimline cards, but since I have this die and I have the frame, scalloped frame, you know, I cut a lot of them. My son is here. So I said, you know what, I have to use it. And this is the second card. It's very simple. I have craft card also by Cut Cardstock. And this is the Tilda. I die cut it from the paper collection, and I stamped the image from by Tonic. Thanks. Sorry, not the image, the sentiments. Thanks so much. What else? Yeah, and also the stamp by this. I don't know, what do you call this one? Ah, I forgot. It's like a ruler or something, or meter maybe. You know. What else? Yeah, and the buttons, and finally the square gemstones. Let me share with you my stamp collection. I think when I showed you my snowman collection, you really enjoyed it. So I said, okay, you know what? Let me show you my my stitching stamps. They are a little bit. They are not a lot. So here is alphabets by Stampin' Up. So it has like quilting or fabric or something like that. I remember I bought 2 of these with ID Stash 1. They're so cute. Then here different stamps. I don't want to go through all of them, but let me show you here. I guess maybe much better. You have a border. Most of them came in a set. Most of these small stamps comes, in a set. These are tiny ones, so cute. And my mom loves to sew. I don't want to remove all of them, but these are frames. Here is a pocket, 2 pockets. It's okay, I'm going to organize them again, just to show you. Some angel, most of them by Stampin' Up. Okay, and this big beautiful heart. Okay, let me remove them. Yeah, so I hope you like my video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.